Hey there!
Welcome to our tutorial on creating a project type in Parsimony. A project type is the classification of projects into different types to group similar kinds of projects. We'll take you on a step-by-step journey to help you understand and use it confidently. Let's get started. First, log into your Parsimony account and navigate to the Projects module, then select the project type. This will open the project type list where you can see all the existing project types. Internal and external projects are examples of project types and are already created in the system. You can choose to add more project types. This comes in handy when you're reviewing the projects and you want to filter the information based on project types. To add a new project type, click on the Add Project Type button. Enter the name of your new project type and make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button. Next, click the newly created project type to add a description. Enter the details in the project type description, then hit the Save button. Congratulations! You have successfully created a customized project type in Parsimony. Now let's go back to the project type list and use the filter feature. Click the filter at the top right corner, select the ID, then click the Apply Filters button. That's it. Now you can easily sort and find the project type, especially when you have many project types in the future. Should you want to edit the project type, click the checkbox and the Actions button at the right top corner. Select the Edit button, the field that you want to update such as description or project type, then enter the value. Don't forget to click the Update button to apply the changes. To clear all filters, just click the X mark. Lastly, if you want to delete any project type, just click the checkboxes beside the project types on the left side corner. Click the Actions button and choose Delete. Confirm the deletion of the project types by clicking the Yes button. That's it. You have successfully deleted the selected project types. By following these steps, you can tailor the project type to fit your business processes and improve project management efficiency. Start exploring the capabilities of Parsimony and unleash the full potential of your projects. Thank you for watching.